The Avengers Doomsday cast was announced in a very dramatic way earlier today in a 5.5-hour video of just the backs of directors' chairs. The names of the actors were slowly and painfully revealed. And the list is huge, brother. 27 notable stars so far will be featured in the next installment of the popular franchise. They include Chris Hemsworth as Thor, Paul Rudd as Ant-Man, Anthony Mackie as Captain America, and Sebastian Stan as the Winter Soldier. Simu Liu returns as Shang-Chi, Letitia Wright as Shuri from Black Panther, and Tom Hiddleston, because, you know, we all need a villain, right, as Loki. We'll also see the Fantastic Four with Pedro Pascal, you know, the Mandalorian. He's going to be leading the team as Mr. Fantastic. And then we're going to dig back into the past with the X-Men. Patrick Stewart and Ian McKellen reprise their roles as Professor X and Magneto. And Rebecca Romijn goes blue again as Mystique. Yep. And Channing Tatum is back as Gambit, who was not a part of the lineup, though. Here's Hugh Jackman and Ryan Reynolds.
No, they got to put them in. I mean, Disney, they own, you know,
but
Fox
you know,
now.
As far as I know, there's no Wolverine and there's no Deadpool.
You didn't mention Mark Ruffalo, Hulk.
There's no Hulk. Well, at least, again, not a part of this initial 27 names.
Dude, they gotta have you get some good names on there, though.
I like out all your favorites.
Yes, I like. Oh, what about Namor from Black Panther?
Oh, yes, he's gonna be on.
Namor is there. Oh,
he returns.
Nice. Yes.
He returns. Yes, yes. We've also got The Thing. We've got Florence Pugh. I believe you pronounce her last name Pugh. She's Yelena, the sister of Black Widow.
Yeah.
She's actually going to be coming back. Kelsey Grammer reprises his role as Beast. It's going to be pretty awesome. It's going to be pretty awesome. I'm excited about that. And talk about excited. This woman is excited. She paid $12 at an auction to purchase a drawing, but it may very well be a multi-million-dollar treasure. A Pennsylvania woman who is also a certified art appraiser says it didn't take her long to realize that the artwork she was looking at deserved an even closer look. And she and an expert believe that the drawing is an original Renoir dating back to the 1800s. Now, the artwork will now be examined by the prestigious Wildenstein-Platner Institute, and if their experts concur, the drawing will in effect be considered officially authenticated as an original Renoir.
Wow.
It's worth anywhere between a few $1,000s, depending on how, you know, big that all the way up to tens of millions.
Wow.
Crazy, huh?
I don't know him. I know Banksy. And definitely no Banksy. I mean, is Renoir?
Oh, Renoir is so much bigger than Banksy. Sorry, Banksy, but come on.
You know who's bigger than that is Punky Aloha.
Oh, and, yes. You know we love her.
Yes, 100%. Right on. Mahalo, Lina Girl, for that. Again, today is Prince Kuhio Day. It's also National Good Hair Day, and our prince did have nice hair, and that means